Hi, to rotate photos on the Samsung Galaxy S25, all you have to do is to open your gallery, find photo you wanna adjust. Let's say I wanna pick this one, and now tap this pen icon which is for editing. And after that, you need to simply find this icon in the middle with square and arrow, which is for rotating the picture. So tap it and stop when you feel that the result is good. Also, you can adjust it by straightening like that. You can adjust it horizontally as well as vertically like that. And after that, simply tap save to save the changes. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.